Okay, friends, so today I am going to teach you how to read and understand the glossary of origami folding symbols. So we're going to start over here with the valley fold. Now, anytime you see this dotted line, a valley fold is when you have a crease in that same direction. So this is a valley fold, right? Think of like a valley, right? A mountain would be on one side, another mountain on the other side, and then the valley is in the middle. So this is a valley fold. Valley fold and unfold. So see that the arrows point both ways. So once you fold it, it's asking you to open it back up again, right? So it's asking you to crease it. I know I'm not doing the same shape, but I'm showing you the different types of folds. Okay, this is a valley fold and unfold. A mountain fold, when you see the arrow pointing around to the back, and I am going to do this, okay? It's asking you to fold it under. So you're still going to do a fold very similar to the valley fold, but you're going to make sure that it's folded under, okay? A mountain fold is the opposite of a valley fold, so you want the crease to be on a side that creates one mountain, right? It creates one mountain. Valley fold, mountain fold, okay? Mountain fold and unfold, same thing, except now you want it to point, right? You want it to pop up, right? When it's reopened. A valley fold and unfold would be like this, so that the crease is facing down. Mountain fold is the other way, so it's sitting straight up. Okay, that's a mountain fold and unfold. All right, repeat once, twice, and 3 times. So when you see a little arrow just like this that says 3 times, but it's only giving you one direction, you want to bring in one side just like it's telling you to here. And then you're going to repeat it 3 times. 1, 2, 3 on each of the corners. And you can look at the finished product to see what that looks like. So you'll fold it again and again and again. Okay, so you'll have the first fold and then 3 more times. All right, join point to point. So if you see a little dot, right, with a little arrow coming towards it, this is asking you to bring the 2 edges together. So I'm just going to crease it in 2 directions. So I have this nice point in the middle, so I can bring this end here, line it up, and then I want the opposite side to line up with it as well. So I'm actually going to move it and bring it all the way to the point again, so that they are laying nose to nose, right? Nose to nose, just like that. Tuck beneath is very similar to mountain fold. It just means fold under or fold back. So it looks like it's like this, and this, like this. So a mountain fold or a tuck beneath the layer would be like this, but you're folding it backwards. So instead of folding it closed, right, you're folding it under. So it goes under. Really, anytime you're using a glossary, like if you have an origami book, you can just refer back to the origami glossary, and that will help you. Same thing with flip it over. This is flip it like a pancake, so you're just going to flip it over. Hidden borders or x-rays, that's just showing you that it's folded backwards, like a dog ear behind the paper. And push, press, direct inwards. This one's actually really difficult for beginners doing origami, but I'll show this to you anyway. I'm trying to think of one. I feel like the piano is a good one. Hang on just a second. Okay, so the piano is a good example of this. So you see how the directions have just this one solid black arrow, and then we have the one symbol so that we're going to fold it a second time over here, and then it jumps to this picture. So this can be confusing if you don't understand what the arrows mean. So I'm going to show you how to do this piano fold, and this is again for push, press, and direct inwards. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so to make the piano, take your square piece of paper and make a valley fold and open and unfold, and then do it again in the opposite direction. So we're going to fold it once, open it up, turn it, fold it again, just like the directions. Try to line up my edges and unfold it. And then it says, oh, it says keep that one. So we're going to keep that folded down. And then it says fold both sides to meet at the center. Fold both sides to meet at the center. So I'm going to bring this edge into the center, and I'm going to bring this edge into the center. Maybe you're a natural at reading origami instructions and you're like, I don't need this help, Miss Anderson. And that's fine. That's okay. Now I like to have sharp creases, so I'm going to use my marker. Make sure I have nice sharp creases. Nice sharp edges here. Awesome. Now I want to make sure that I have it aligned, right? So we had folded it down. So I want to make sure that it's still open at the bottom. So I have these two doors, right? These two doors. And now we're on step 4 where we have to push it inwards. So you want to put your finger in here, right? And it's telling us when you open the door, you're going to push this part down. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is the beginning. This is called house. And this is the beginning for a lot of different types of origami in the beginning of origami. So I'm pushing it down. I know I did that really fast. And this light is bad. Okay, so here, let's try this again. It's folded. So as you open up this piece of paper, like the door, right? You're opening the door. You're going to try to lay it flat. And as you lay it flat, you're going to take your finger and line up this crease with the crease underneath, right? This is the first step called house. Let's do it again on the other side. So as you open the door, take your finger, put it inside the door, push it all the way up to the top. This is going to help you because your hand is going to help lay it flat. You're going to take your other hand and you can either pat or smooth it. And as you move your finger out, as you take your finger out, try to line up this outside crease with the inside crease so that it makes a straight line. Okay? There we go. And I like sharp creases, so I'm going to crease all of this. And so this is the first direction for house, but you can do this similar fold works for the goldfish, and it's the beginning part of piano, right? If you want to see piano, watch my next video. All right, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.